to the Young video. We at the Young rental right now. I gotta try and make it on up here to catch it. I'm telling you. I gotta make it on up here so we can catch this hit. This is a Pro Charge demonstration. And he on a 20. We got a Pro Charge demonstration on the 20. That bitch got the eating. That thing got the eating. Uh-oh. Hawky Hawk. Can smell that corn on them things. Woo-wee. We got the Hawky Hawk out here. Got the Hawky Hawk out here. Okay.
Let's go, boss. Window up, please.
I might have to switch to the phone gang so we can get some more zoom in action. I think this demonstration compound boost, y'all.
What happened?
Uh-oh, Allie.
Alright, about to try it again. Six. Would have expected a little more out that thing. Is it driving?
How much time has it been?
This thing is nasty right there. Damn. He making niggas want one of them boys. Oh my God, bro. What the fuck? Oh God, bro. What the fuck? Oh my God, he just made my fucking heart just drop, bro. Okay, I'm bad, this man crazy, bro. He just tweaked me all the way out. Oh no. He just scared the shit out of me, gang. 11-1. It's all about getting them things spooled up, man. They gotta get the things spooled up. That's a burnout right there, gang. Woo! Whole outfit jacked now. Hey, we finna smell like rubber. We need to get toys off the trailer, cuz. That was a burnout. Jeez. Yes, sir. I think this is a 5.7, y'all. 5.7 on some street tires. Let's see what happens. 12-8. Uh-oh. We got Stain Gang against the Hawk. We got Stain Gang against the Hawk. Or are they going separate? They might be going separate. Compound boost Trackhawk back at it again. Let's see if he got a little better at that wheel. Timed out the whole clock. He got it tweaking, thinking he done did a 3.2. He done took about fucking 20 minutes to make his hit. Man, we need to get you unloaded, my boy. This Mustang ride right here. This Mustang ride right here. Sound juicy. Is he gonna be the first 9 of the day? Let's comment and see. First 9 of the day, y'all let me know. Is it gonna be the first 9 of the day? Got 9 on the side. God damn, that motherfucker just left hard. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. God damn! Boy, that Mustang just ran 9 too. He left so goddamn hard. Woo! Shit! That motherfucker didn't come to play. God damn, I'm thinking 9's that man damn near ready for an 8. Okay, 10-8. 10-8. Boy, that Mustang set the standard, boy. Shit. That boy ride. What's up, my boy? What's up, man? No. I had to come catch, you know what I'm saying, the footage real quick. You know I'm gonna come holler at my boy. No, man. Oh, man. No, son. No, man. Look, I got out the car. I was going over to holler at y'all, then they said Bill was pulling up. I'm like, all right. Then I just came back, come try to go over there. Then I seen the purple car. Oh, shit. Then I see Al Gloss. I said, oh, shit, I'm damn. Everyone here, man.
We even got Joe out here.
Except for he didn't bring his car.
I know.
This guy, man.
I got plates, man. I got plates, finally, the Magnum.
and then would have worked.
Live and learn, man. Live and learn.
Woo-wee. Man, you got this thing looking pretty. You got this thing scooting and booting. Man, what's the modifications done to it?
Vortex.
Vortex supercharger?
YSIB.
Okay.
Long tubes. Keltrack. TBM brakes. What else? Built 1080.
Okay.
All good stuff.
Man, this thing riding. How much boost you making?
Good question. Tell you in a minute. Well, about 16.
Oh, damn, only 16 pounds and that thing moving like this?
I don't know what it did, so.
Man, you did a 920 something. Rolling.
Nice.
And what year is this Mustang?
19.
19? Man, she sexy. She sexy, man. Damn. He rolling. That thing rolling. But right now, he done set the standard around here, y'all. 920 is the quickest pass of the day. So we about to go ahead and get Cuz unloaded. He about to try and take the stock Trackhawk record, you know what I'm saying? So let's get this thing unloaded, man, and see what happened, gang. All right, y'all, man. Y'all see this twin turbo demonstration? What's the mods, man? Go and give me the mod list of what we looking at.
Stock motor, twin turbo, started blower, that's it.
Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Y'all see it sitting on the Hoosiers. Sitting on the Hoosiers, ready to get down with the fresh wrap on here. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man. Slightly with a little bit of weight distribution going on out of there. You know, weight reduction. Sitting ready. You ready to do what it do, man?
Of course. What's going on, Coolie?
Man, chillin', looking at the new toy you got over here, man. So I hear it's stock motor.
Yeah, stock motor, stock trans. We just bolted a set of Helion twin 64 millimeter turbos on it and gutted the blower.
Okay.
So it's a basic setup for the most part. ID 1300s and a dual booster pump.
Okay.
So nothing crazy. It's what a lot of our customers do. So just showing what it does when you get into drag mode. So.
Right.
Yeah,
So all literally y'all did was just take the seats out, took the back part off, and that's as far as for really weight, and then the drag pack.
We're gonna do the first couple passes with the cat back on it, and if we need to, depending what we run, we'll take that off. But yeah, just the basic. It took probably 20 minutes for the guys to do everything. So a very easy swap. But I did tow the charger here with it. I got 10 miles to the gallon.
Oh wait, so this towed the charger.
The TRX towed my charger.
Okay, y'all see it, man. Big boy working too, working the woo. This thing looking so sexy, boy. Green the color, huh?
I need to get rid, but you gotta drive it. So I gotta drive it in. So.
Oh, hey, let's make it happen then. Yeah, y'all see it though, man. We at the Satera Tuning track rental. All the toys are out here. Everybody warming up, getting their feet wet, and it's about to go down, gang. So, hey, man, he said I'm gonna go ahead and wheel the young Charger. So let's check this sexy demonstration out, on the Ford stars. Bead locks on the back, you know what I mean? Full interior demonstration. It's gonna be time to act bad, man. But let me go check on Cuz and see what he got going. And then once the track get nice and hot and ready again, then I cut this camera right back on for y'all, man. Make sure y'all smashing the like button. If you're a Mopar head, for sure, y'all better smash the like button because it's nothing but Mopars all around this demonstration, gang. All right, y'all. Y'all seen the mods? They told y'all the mods. Simple setup. Comment in the comment section what y'all think this thing about to do. I want to see where y'all standing. Okay, hook and book. Hook and book. $11.23, and all the sticker patch went down to the quarter. Yep. Yeah, those stickers definitely all on the now. All right, let's see what Cuz do. Let's see what Cuz do. Radio. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. All right, he made them switch lanes. He say that lane was for radials and slicks. And this one more for street tires. So we're gonna see what happens. You gonna dust the tires off? Huh? You gonna dust the tires off? Oh, I'm like, shit. Alright, let's see what happened, gang. Let's see what go on. Let's see what this thing do. Okay, getting on through there. Getting on through there. Okay. See him doing this thing, first lick. All the gang under the shade. I see y'all trying to be cool, stay cool. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, man. He got a 15-inch conversion on this thing with a chute. So y'all know I'm coming to go get him. Probably need to line up a little out the groove, baby. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Man, I'm telling you, boy, you could tell when something ride. That thing just get the boogieing and just getting ghost. Woo! I don't remember who was quicker. Was it the Mustang or was it that? They both did 920. I had to go back and look in the video and see who quicker. But shit, I think that'll be a nice little head-up action out here, you know? But you could tell them ones that ride, boy. Sheesh. Blood out here trying to get right. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all know I had to come get this thing again. That bitch is riding. Let's get the bike on here. See what the bike do. Uh-oh. 10-4. Let's see what the Challenger do. Twin turbo Challenger. Ooh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Light that thing up. You know what I'm talking about? Light that thing up. Ten seven. See, the thing, gang, with the turbos is you gotta learn how to spool them things up. You know what I mean? It's gonna damn near take a major learning curve to like deal with the getting the turbos and boost before you leave. Because if you leaving with no boost, then you know what I mean, you ain't gonna get up out of there. You know what I'm saying? So everybody got the twin turbos, but you know they all trying to figure out how to get that thing spooled up and do what it do. Y'all see Jay know what he doing with it with that gas and brake, cause that TRX definitely spooled up and got to doing what it do. But traction control was on, so that's the reason why I did all that bunny hopping stuff and everything like that. So they letting everything cool down, and then you know everybody gonna get back up here and shake a move, man. So sit tight, let me know what y'all think about the footage right now. Shit, hey, that Mustang setting the bar. That Mustang riding. That nigga riding. He riding. All right, y'all, man. Second hit on the Rex. Comment in the comment section what y'all think she gonna do. Eleven O's. Oh, we got another stain coming. I ain't never seen this one go down there. Let's see what this one do. Y'all think it's on that level of that blue one? I don't know, Charlie. That blue one, he acting different. Ten three. You can about see what it do when it do what it do. That one wasn't good. That shift was off. Alright, y'all, we got us another hog. Whoa, 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 whoa. Back up, back up.
TRX is a gutted blower, as is that.
Gotta bag up. He say he trying to run 1,000 foot. Say you want that 1,000 foot run, goddammit. Too far, too far. Okay, yep. A little bit more. Right there, right there. All right, y'all. Let's see what it do. Six. And he got out of it early. He wanted to start early first, then he wanted to end early.
Hey. A lot of early's there. That on is good.
Oh, first try. Hey, you got to learn somewhere. So now he know where to start at, and then tell him he got to go further. Shit, he got out of it early.
Is that blue done.
Low boost, 1122. 1122. I don't know the specs, but this motherfucker literally just spooled up and sounded real vicious. So let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Push through the beams. 10-6, 10-6. See the turbo cars, man. See, it's 137, but the turbo cars, gang, they gotta get them things to, they gotta get them to leave, man. They gotta get in boost to make them things leave. RT with the big burnout. Woo! We know who won the burnout competition. We know who won the burnout competition. Let's see what go on with this one, man. I think he on the street tire. Yes, sir, he on the street tire. Uh-oh. 13-1. 13-1. Spinning before the light. Threes, 10 threes, 10 trays.